Let's start by taking this big daddy out to give the others some room to grow. Out you come. Whoa, guys, this one has to be the best one of the year so far. Let's take a couple of radish pods. Let's get a nice handful. Take this one and another one. Garden peas are my absolute favourite. Let's snip you. Whoops. There we go. Let's check on these rainbow beets. Oh, that one's looking good. Let's pull you out, mister, and have a look at your colour. These should be really vibrant, guys. Out he comes. Here we go. Shake that dirt back in. And a quick rinse to bring out the colour. A few baby pears for a secret project. Just going to need a couple more. Now, believe it or not, this used to be a broccoli that I deliberately let go to seed so we can harvest the pods. Let's get a nice handful. Oh, whoops. Bay tree's going crazy, so let's get a couple of leaves. A little bit of fresh rocket for the tortoise's breakfast tomorrow. There we go. And let's check on the cucumbers. Yep, you'll do nicely. Ooh, whoops. Just a small harvest today, but we have